Kinder und Sterne küssen und verlieren sich, greifen leise meine Hand und führen mich. Traumgötter brachten mich in eine Landschaft, Schmetterlinge flatterten durch meine Seele. Kinder und Sterne küssen und verlieren sich, greifen leise meine Hand und führen mich. Die Traumgötter brachten mich in eine Landschaft in der Mitternacht.
Guys, be ready. Galing siya sa bakasyon.
Bakasyon daw. Naku, bakasyon.
Mr. Rivera, gaano ka nakatagal na QA manager ng White Pharmaceuticals?
10 years? 15 years? Hindi ko na alam kung gaano katagal ever since I graduated from UP College of Pharmacy.
Any complaints this October?
Yes, actually, you can ask my team for that.
Naka-receive ka ba ng report?
Paulit-ulit?
Did this report contain a mix-up between cefuroxime and amoxicillin?
Excuse me?
What did you do?
Your Honor, I just want to show some documents.
Documents? G lang.
Sige, G lang.
Here is a report from White Pharma sent to the FDA saying that the product recall was issued for cefuroxime suspension, lot 456 ABC. Your Honor, a meeting was conducted between Mr. Rivera, the President, Regulatory Affairs Manager, Legal Affairs Manager, Plant Manager, and even the Marketing Manager. Our client even issued a recall order to local distributor.
This can't happen.
100% inspection of cefuroxime suspension was done. An effort was made by my client. Wala siyang kinalaman sa mga nangyari dito.
I blocked the presentation of this evidence. I think it is
Order.
unrelevant and cannot be
Order.
justified. Mr. Saktin, bilang distributor ng White Pharma, pakikwento nga nangyari.
Out of 2,400, 1,350 na po naibalik namin sa kanila.
At ang mga natitira, anong plano nyo gawin dito?
Dahil wala na pong order sa mga iba, nasa consumer na po yung mga yun.
No questions, Your Honor.
Panis.
Mr. President, were you aware that a complaint report was filed on your company on October 23 and a product recall was initiated?
Yes, I was aware, and I issued the recall. Pero only after the endorsement of our QA manager. Kung kailangan mo ng evidence, it's written on paper. Wala kami tatago. We're transparent in our company.
Therefore, Mr. President, it was under your order that a product recall be initiated without prior consent and knowledge of the FDA?
I only did what I thought was right.
That's what you thought was right. However, you're very, very wrong. FDA representative, did you receive a recall letter?
Yes, attorney, I received a letter informing us that White Pharmaceuticals had initiated a Class 2 recall of cefuroxime.
Okay, so is this the same document that you read on November 8? Or rather November 10, which is 13 days after the said recall?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. This just proves that White Pharmaceuticals only informed the FDA 13 days after the said recall.
Show it to me.
Okay.
Thank you.
Class 2 yun, class 2 yun.
Class 1, mislabeling pwedeng permanently ma-harm yung patient.
Parehong antibiotic yun, parehong broad spectrum, pareho lang yung effect.
No, sure ka ba?
Class 2 yun, class 2 yun.
Mr. Tab, calm down. Miss Nieva.
Class 2 yun, QA manager yung kliyente
It
ko.
was class
He knows
1.
what
Pwedeng
he's
mamatay
doing.
yung pasyente.
Class
Antibiotics
2
yun.
yun.
Order! Attorney Nieva, Attorney Tab, please conduct yourself properly. Kung hindi, papalabasin ko kayo. Please present your closing statement, Miss Nieva.
Yes, Your Honor. Let me get that. Let me have that. Mr. Rivera, was it right that you formed a product recall committee with
No, that is
informing
not
the
true.
FDA?
That is not true.
Then is it right that you initiated this product recall on October 25 and informing only the FDA 13 days after?
Huh? That is sick.
What?
What?
Then is it also right that there's 1,050 remaining cefuroxime which may be mistaken for amoxicillin? These are antibiotics which can cause potential harm to
Where
the
is this coming from? Where is this coming from?
Mr. Rivera, it was your job to inform the FDA.
Well, I don't know.
It was your job to ensure each product is of quality before
I don't know.
It is your responsibility if a patient dies out there because of mislabeling. Instead of safety, you delivered harm.
I'm so sorry.
You're too late, Mr. Rivera.
Attorney, maraming salamat dahil natapos tong kasong to. Maraming salamat dahil sa inyo.
Walang anuman. Lahat ng ito ay ginagawa ko para sa inyo, para sa lahat ng pasyente, para sa lahat ng rumirespeto ng ating propasyon, para sa lahat ng mga tao, para sa atin to. Cora Bells na ako, girl.
Kinder und Sterne küssen und verlieren sich, greifen leise meine Hand und führen mich. Traumgötter brachten mich in eine Landschaft, Schmetterlinge flatterten durch meine Seele. Kinder